Over 99% of seniors don't know this. 4 common seafood can age your heart and joints faster. 4 others do the opposite. Let's rank them. Margaret was 68 years old when her doctor gave her news that left her speechless. For years, she had done everything right, or so she thought. No junk food, no late-night snacks. Every evening, she proudly cooked what she believed was a heart-healthy dinner. Grilled shrimp, seared scallops, or a bowl of seafood soup filled with squid and imitation crab. Seafood is the healthiest protein. She'd tell her friends, it keeps the heart strong, the mind sharp, and the weight down. But during her last checkup, her doctor looked at her lab results and shook his head. "Margaret," he said gently, "your cholesterol is up, your joints show early signs of inflammation, and your kidney function is weaker than before." Margaret was stunned. "But I eat so clean," she said. "I thought seafood was supposed to be healthy." Here's the uncomfortable truth. Not all seafood is good for you, especially after 60. Some can quietly harm your heart, stiffen your joints, and even trigger hidden allergies or digestion problems. And the reason most people never hear about this, the seafood industry is worth billions. The items making the most money often carry the most risks, and nobody warns you because warnings don't sell well. But today, we're changing that. In this video, you'll discover the 4 worst seafoods seniors should avoid, the ones silently damaging health after 60, and the 4 best ones you should be eating more often to protect your joints, heart, brain, and digestion. By the end, you'll know exactly what to cross off your shopping list and what to add, so you can feel younger, stronger, and healthier well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. So grab a pen, because some of these may surprise you. Robert, a 72-year-old retired teacher, loved California rolls. He thought they were a light, healthy lunch. After all, sushi was supposed to be good for you, right? But a few months ago, his doctor noticed rising blood pressure and higher than normal blood sugar levels. When they looked at his diet, one thing stood out: imitation crab sticks in sushi and salads 3 or 4 times a week. Here's the truth. Imitation crab isn't really crab at all. It's made from surimi, a paste of pulverized fish scraps mixed with starch, sugar, sodium, and artificial flavors to mimic the look and taste of real crab. By the time it's processed, it has lost nearly all the natural nutrients found in real seafood. But the bigger problem for seniors? Blood sugar spikes. A Clinical Nutrition 2020 study found that imitation crab causes a glycemic response similar to eating white bread. That means the starches in it break down rapidly into glucose, sending blood sugar soaring. For seniors already dealing with prediabetes, diabetes, or insulin resistance, this is a silent health bomb. The same study showed that older adults who consumed processed seafood like imitation crab 3 times a week had 2.6 times higher insulin levels than those who avoided it. High insulin over time leads to energy crashes, stubborn belly fat, and even higher risk of type 2 diabetes complications. And that's not all. One serving of imitation crab can have over 700 milligrams of sodium before you add soy sauce, dressings, or anything else. As we age, our kidneys process sodium less efficiently, so excess salt causes fluid retention, higher blood pressure, and swelling in ankles and feet. Think about it. You eat something believing it's healthy, but inside your body, it's raising your blood sugar, stressing your heart, and straining your kidneys, all without giving you any real nutrients. Because here's the kicker. Imitation crab is almost empty of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, or selenium, the very nutrients that make real seafood so beneficial. So what should you do instead? Cooking tip. If you love the taste of crab, buy real crab meat occasionally. steam it lightly, or use it in salads. Real crab is packed with selenium, vitamin B12, and high-quality protein without the processed junk. It costs more, but your heart, joints, and blood sugar will thank you. So the next time you see imitation crab in sushi rolls or seafood salads, remember, it's a processed imposter pretending to be healthy while working against your health goals. Linda, age 66, loved her weekend seafood pasta. A little olive oil, some garlic, and plenty of tender squid rings tossed on top. It was her favorite healthy comfort food. But lately, she had been waking up with stiff, aching joints. Her doctor checked for arthritis and gout, and one thing became clear. Foods high in cholesterol and purines were making her symptoms worse, and squid was on the list. Here's why seniors need to be careful. 3 ounces of cooked squid carrying nearly 200 milligrams of cholesterol. That's more than 65% of the recommended daily intake for older adults with heart risks. A Nutrients 2021 study found that seniors consuming high cholesterol seafood had a 43% greater risk of arterial stiffness, a key warning sign for heart attacks and strokes. As we age, our arteries naturally lose flexibility, and eating foods that speed up this process is like pouring fuel on the fire. But cholesterol isn't the only problem. Squid is loaded with purines. Purines break down into uric acid inside the body. For younger people, the kidneys flush most of it out. But after 60, kidney function slows, so uric acid builds up in the blood. Eventually, it crystallizes in the joints, triggering gout attacks or worsening arthritis pain. Researchers from the Journal of Gerontology reported that older adults eating high-purine seafood multiple times a week had a 54% higher risk of chronic joint inflammation within just 2 years. So while squid looks like a lean, low-fat protein, inside your body, it can silently raise cholesterol, stiffen arteries, and inflame joints, all major health concerns after 60. Cooking tip: if you love seafood pasta, swap squid for salmon or sardines occasionally. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which actually reduce inflammation and support heart and brain health. This simple swap can turn a risky meal into one that supports your joints and your heart at the same time. George, 71, loved shrimp cocktails at family gatherings. "It's lean protein," he said proudly, believing it was a smarter choice than fried chicken or red meat. But during his last physical, his doctor was concerned. George's LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, was creeping up. His blood pressure wasn't ideal either. The surprise? George didn't eat fast food. He didn't eat much beef. But he ate shrimp twice a week. Here's what many seniors don't realize. 3 ounces of shrimp contain about 180 milligrams of cholesterol. For someone over 60, that's a problem because our arteries lose elasticity with age, our livers process fats more slowly, and our heart disease risk skyrockets as a result. A Circulation 2021 study tracking over 8,000 adults above 60 found that those consuming more than 300 milligrams of dietary cholesterol daily had a 35% higher risk of stroke and 24% higher risk of coronary heart disease compared to those eating less than 150 milligrams. But the risks don't stop there. Shrimp contains a muscle protein called tropomyosin, a common cause of shellfish allergies. Many people develop new allergies after 60, even if they ate shrimp safely for decades. Symptoms can range from mild rashes to serious digestive inflammation or even sudden allergic reactions. And here's something most shoppers never consider: over 40% of imported. Farm-raised shrimp samples tested in a Food Control 2022 study contained antibiotic residues, some banned in the US and Europe. Regular exposure has been linked to gut microbiome imbalances and antibiotic resistance, especially in older adults with weaker immune systems. So shrimp isn't the harmless, light seafood it's marketed to be. Cooking tip: if you still enjoy shrimp occasionally, look for wild-caught varieties and keep portions small, no more than 3 to 4 ounces once every 2 weeks. Better yet, rotate in low-cholesterol, omega-3 rich fish like salmon or mackerel instead. You'll cut your cholesterol load while giving your body healthy fats that protect your heart, joints, and brain. Let's take a quick moment to recap what we've covered so far before moving on to the good news. Imitation crab, highly processed, packed with sugar, starch, and sodium, spikes blood sugar like white bread and raises blood pressure without giving you any real nutrients. Squid, loaded with cholesterol and purines that can stiffen arteries and trigger painful gout attacks or worsen arthritis symptoms. Shrimp, high in cholesterol, sometimes carries antibiotic residues and can trigger new shellfish allergies in seniors, even if you've eaten it safely your whole life. Scallops, coming up next, often seen as fancy and safe, but research shows they can carry toxic metals like cadmium and offer very little omega-3 benefit. Evelyn, 70, had been dealing with creaky knees, thinning hair, and constant bloating for years. She tried joint supplements, fiber powders, even expensive collagen drinks. Nothing worked the way she hoped. Then, a friend from her senior yoga class suggested something unusual: sea moss. At first, Evelyn was skeptical. "Isn't that just seaweed?" she asked. But after just 2 months of adding sea moss gel to her smoothies, she felt real changes: less joint stiffness, clearer skin, and better digestion. So what makes sea moss so powerful, especially for seniors? First, it's packed with over 90 trace minerals your body needs, from magnesium and potassium to iodine, selenium, and sulfur. These minerals become harder to absorb as we age, leading to fatigue, weak immunity, and slower healing. Second, sea moss is rich in collagen-building nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids. Collagen keeps joints flexible, skin firm, and your gut lining strong. But after 60, production drops sharply. A Marine Drugs 2022 study found that seniors who consume sea moss daily saw a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 29% reduction in visible skin dryness within just 8 weeks. And sea moss contains mucilage, a natural soluble fiber that coats and soothes the gut lining, helping with acid reflux, bloating, and constipation. Cooking tip: rinse raw sea moss thoroughly and soak it 12 to 24 hours. Blend into a smooth gel. And add a spoonful to smoothies, soups, or teas. Don't boil it. Frank, a 74-year-old grandfather, always felt tired. Recovery after walks lagged, nails were brittle, and immunity seemed weak. Then he learned oysters aren't just a delicacy. They're a nutrient powerhouse. Just 2 medium oysters provide over 100% of daily zinc needs for immune strength, wound healing, and even taste-smell restoration, which often fade with age when zinc is low. Oysters are also rich in vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and energy metabolism. A Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging 2021 study found that older adults with low B12 were 73% more likely to suffer cognitive decline, memory loss, slower thinking, even depression than those with healthy levels. Oysters add selenium for thyroid health, copper for strong bones and collagen, and iron for better oxygen delivery to muscles and brain. Cooking tip: steam or bake oysters lightly with garlic, parsley, and lemon. Avoid heavy frying that adds unnecessary fats and damages delicate nutrients. Dorothy, a 69-year-old retired nurse, loved gardening, but knee pain drained her joy. Painkillers upset her stomach. PT gave only temporary relief. Then she discovered New Zealand green-lipped mussels. These mussels contain a rare omega-3 called ETA, icosahexatetraenoic acid, that blocks 5-lipoxygenase, an enzyme driving joint inflammation. A Nutrients 2020 study showed seniors taking green-lipped mussel extract daily for 12 weeks had 42% less joint pain, 35% better mobility, and fewer arthritis flare-ups. Beyond joints, green-lipped mussels provide zinc, selenium, iron, and iodine, minerals vital for thyroid, immunity, and energy. Cooking tip: steam with garlic, parsley, and lemon. Skip deep frying and heavy sauces that destroy nutrients and add inflammatory fats. Then there's sea cucumber, which surprised Henry, a 72-year-old retired carpenter who'd lost his spring hikes to stiff knees. He laughed at first, but traditional medicine and modern science both point to its benefits. Sea cucumber is rich in chondroitin sulfate, the same compound in many pricey joint supplements, but here in a natural, absorbable form. Chondroitin helps protect cartilage, reduce swelling, and improve joint lubrication for smoother, less painful movement. A Journal of Ethnopharmacology 2021 review confirmed sea cucumber extract's anti-inflammatory and cartilage protective effects, supporting seniors' mobility. Cooking tip: soak, clean thoroughly, and slow cook in soups or stews. It absorbs flavors like ginger, garlic, and bone broth. Here's the big picture. Avoid or cut back on imitation crab, squid, shrimp, and yes, often scallops, which can carry cadmium and offer little omega-3. Embrace more often sea moss, oysters, green-lipped mussels, and sea cucumber. Remember, it's not about giving up all seafood. It's about choosing wisely after 60, because your body processes cholesterol, sodium, and inflammatory foods differently as you age. Start small and stack the wins. Add sea moss gel to smoothies for minerals and gut-soothing mucilage. Eat oysters twice a month to shore up zinc and B12 for immunity and cognition. Try green-lipped mussels for joint health and mobility support. Enjoy sea cucumber soup occasionally to nourish cartilage and ease stiffness. Your heart, joints, brain, and digestion will thank you as these swaps compound over weeks and months into more energy and better function. And now, we'd love to hear from you. Which seafood on the avoid list shocked you the most? Have you tried any of the healing seafoods we covered? Sea moss, oysters, green-lipped mussels, or sea cucumber? And what changes did you notice? Share your experiences in the comments below. We reply to everyone because your story might inspire someone else to take control of their health. Community wisdom is powerful, especially for seniors optimizing their nutrition. If you're building a shopping list, circle the swaps that feel easiest this week. Replace imitation crab with real crab in a salad. Trade squid for salmon in your pasta. Save shrimp for rare occasions and experiment with green-lipped mussels in a simple steam and lemon prep. If digestion is your challenge, try a teaspoon of sea moss gel in warm tea and notice how your gut feels over the next few days. Small changes, big payoff. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a science-backed senior health tip again. We're here to help you feel younger, stronger, and more confident in your choices, one smart swap at a time. Here's to a healthier, stronger, more energetic you, starting today.